This week, Chess Masters was back for episode 3, but I was determined not to watch this thing based on my previous reviews, which you can see there. However, someone did send in this message, and I thought, what has happened to the world? I've just got to tune in to see why they have taken away the Balcony of Dreams.
I'm so excited to go to the balcony because everyone's been saying such good things about it.
But more on that later in this video. This week's episode, we had a very special visitor indeed.
This puzzle is a memory test.
Hold on. That sounds like Magnus Carlsen.
This particular game is special to me.
It is Magnus Carlsen. But what's he doing talking through a magic mirror?
My pieces are sort of scattered all over the place.
It is a magic mirror. It's a magic mirror to a different universe because the sound quality is so bad.
The task for you is to remember all 26 of them. Good luck.
And to be fair, this one was the best challenge of all 3 episodes, though it's not saying much based on the Bashing Bishop from episode 1. So yeah, you have 60 seconds to see a position and try and memorise this sort of complex middle game position. Good idea. I really like the puzzle. Naturally, in BBC's The Chess Masters, they don't show you, the viewer, the puzzle for 60 seconds, rather about 30 seconds, which cuts between people talking and loads of slogans and things. But if you want to do the challenge, I'm going to put the puzzle on the board, and you can pause the video if you want to for a minute, and you can compare your score with Ravi, the Unrelenting Warrior. And it's definitely worth winning this one, because
The winner of this challenge is going to get a very special advantage.
wonder what that is. You get to go home early, but have to come back to the show.
It's going to be hard. It's going to be hard.
That's not the attitude, Unrelenting Warrior. Come on, you can do it. Concentrate. You've got 1 minute. Here's the position. Come on. Well, with a name like Unrelenting Warrior, my money's on him. I've shoved 20 quid on at 5-1. Come on.
Not always the best at visualization.
Doesn't inspire me with confidence on my bet, but just try your best. That's all we can do.
How did they all track?
Navi, unfortunately, you were unable to place any piece on the board.
None.
What happened there, Navi?
Like, none.
What happened there, Navi?
None.
I read a technique by Praganandana. He splits the board into 4 different quadrants and tells a story about the actual board.
What was the bloody story? Don't try. Don't take part. Lose me my money. Breathe in, breathe out. The winner of that challenge got to choose who to play with in a 2-team playoff between each other. Can hardly bear the excitement, and so couldn't David Howell, who just kept hinting about Queen songs.
Cuts across this line, the Black Queen like a laser beam.
Welcome to your eliminator. First things first, just have a little glance over at the board.
What is the point of him looking at the board? He doesn't do anything with it. That's why my money is on the Killer Queen. 20 quid at even money. I can get my money back. Come on, Killer Queen.
Navi was unrelenting yet again, getting his 3rd eliminator victory with a Queen and Rook combo, delivering checkmate.
Done with this show.
The Navinator, the Navinator.
No more nicknames, please.
You know what this means? You're a semi-finalist.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it either.
Let's carry on and maybe the final.
Let's not push it, mate.
Round of applause, please, for the Killer Queen. Up you go
Thank
to the
you.
winner's
Cheers,
balcony.
thank you. Cheers, thank you.
Navinator goes to the winner's balcony. He doesn't go to the balcony of dreams. He goes to the winner's balcony. Congratulations and see you next week. Oh!